I'm just going to give you a little quick run through with this video to show you what they look like and some of the components that went into the skylights. So here's a view of my work in progress. Some of the ceiling is in already. So in the end, I end up having 3 panels of lexan, and they are extremely durable. And I actually got these from a friend of mine. He works at the local arena, and at the arena they put these lexan on top of the advertising. So these are the offcuts that they sold from the city, and I bought them, and they're super strong. So the one I just passed was 7 feet long. This one is 6 feet long. This will be over the bedroom. Now you can see that I put the lexan in the opening on the roof, which I will go up and I'll show you. And then I framed them in, just cut some spruce on my table saw, and then installed that to make it flush with the ceiling, so that when it all goes together, you'll be able to, let's see, right here, you'll be able to make it flush and go across and then cut it out properly so that it looks like the previous one that I showed you. So this is the view that you can see. It's quite nice. This will be in the area of our bedroom, and then up here is in the area of our living room. And that is what it looks like from the inside. Now, one of the places where I'm going to put the next one is right in front of where you see. And there's a space there on the outside that usually says school bus. So I'm going to chop out a section of that. It's going to be probably 3 feet by 1.5 feet. And that is where there's going to be another opening. So you can really envision that and see the space. And then the other one that I'm going to create is in the back bedroom. There'll be another piece that will be going across the back, and that will be a full opening as well. So that's a work in progress. My friend has to get some lexan and finish off a project at the rink, and then I'll buy the leftover from him and I'll make it that size. So let's go up on the roof and I'll show you what is up there. This is the view of the skylights. This is a 6-foot skylight from the back all the way up to the front. It is a lexan panel that is screwed in with grommets and silicone to hold them in. And the frames are attached with a PL 400, which is a construction adhesive. And they are very strong and they do not leak. And I would definitely recommend them. I get them as offcuts from the local hockey rink. A friend of mine works there and he has them left over, and the money actually goes to a good cause because they're creating an area in the rink for female hockey players that have gone on and have been successful. So that's where the money goes towards. From the top of the bus to the back, all the way up to the front, that's a 6-foot skylight. And there's the 7-foot skylight with the wood stove, which is a cubic mini. So yeah, these skylights are great. If anybody wants to send me a message in regards to more about how you do these, you have to have confidence in measuring these out. I snapped a chalk line down the entire center of the bus, determined the size of the panels, and then I took off the dimensions that I needed for the caulking and the gluing. And these ones, actually you can see, I'll give you a closer view. So I used a product called PL 400. It's a construction adhesive, and that is what you can see all along here on the top. Nobody can see that from the roof, so I really don't care about it. And that is holding the pieces of wood in place. So it's very durable, very strong, and it should be fine as I'm driving along. I plan on putting solar on this bus. I will only put 2 panels at the back. There's enough room for 2 panels, and they will go on the back. And yeah, that's all I'll have. I'll have an alternator that will charge the battery and also some shore power as well.